Yes.
Next, total children 110,500. IGST total would be 8640. This total would be 23102310. And what would be the total here, children? It's a 0, 6, 7, 3, 12. 1,23,760. Draw double line underneath the total, children. I hope so everybody understood how to prepare purchase book, children. सबको समझ में आ गया? Confirm? चलिए, be quick to this, children. Hope so question number 3 is visible to everybody. You're supposed to do this with the other homework that I'll assign you shortly. Let's identify which transactions would be recorded and which not. The business is of electronics, dealing in electronics and furniture. Purchased on credit, children. Television set will be recorded, won't be recorded? Will be recorded. Purchase on credit from Bajaj and Company. Electric irons, table lamp, room heater, children. ये भी टीवी फ्रिज की शॉप पे मिलता ही है. Will or won't be recorded? Will be. Again, children, table lamps purchased, but on, will it be recorded? No. On 8 children, purchased on credit, showcase, office table and chair. Will be or won't be? चलिए, कुछ लोग आई साइड चेक कर रहे हैं. At the top it is mentioned dealing in electronics and furniture. Now office table sir furniture कैसे हुआ? इसके लिए जुपिटर पे स्पेशल क्लासेस चलती हैं जहां पे समझाया जाता है कि टेबल फर्नीचर की कैटेगरी में कैसे आता है. Got it clear? एलियंस प्रोफेसर हैं वो उसकी क्लास लेते हैं. ग्रेट. टेबल का भी तो बिजनेस है, फर्नीचर का भी. Will be recorded, won't be recorded? Will be. So we'll be ignoring the transaction dated 7th April. Others would be recorded in the same manner. हो जाएगा? Children, हो जाएगा? चलिए, mark your homework. Children. Question followed by question number 2. Only prepare purchase book, nothing else. Ledger भी इसके बनते हैं. Ledger सबको बनाना आता है. थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है ledger में, बस कोई खास ट्विस्ट नहीं है. I'll let you know कैसे बनेगा. एकदम आसान है वो भी. 1 and 2 marked everybody? Then children, question number 10. Again, it's a purchase book. Question number 10. First, second, and 10th from DKG. From TSG, children, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. First, second, 10th from DKG, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from TSG. TSG 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Question number 5 is sales book. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Marked all? Let's proceed further. So I hope so, children, everybody understood what is a purchase book. Chaliye. Balancing part I am skipping for a moment. Let's do sales book first. फिर मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कैसे posting करनी है. Because posting में I need not to teach you anything. When you know the journal entry, how journal entry is to be posted, everybody knows. Okay. तो इसलिए उस पर टाइम अभी नहीं वेस्ट करेंगे हम. Come down to the concept where it says preparation of a sales book, or we call it as sales day book, or children we can call it as what? Sales journal. Why we call it as sales journal? Because we have subdivided journal while preparing this. So it is also known as sales journal. Heard well, children? We ignore cash sale of goods, we ignore cash sale of assets, and we ignore credit sale of assets. What we'll be considering only and only is what, children? Credit sale of goods. Now the name of the debtor would be there instead of creditor. Value of goods sold, quantity multiplied by price, deducting trade discount and adding what, children? Taxes. If there is any cash discount, will be recorded here? No, because in that case it won't be a credit sale, it would become a cash sale. Ditto same है children, exactly same. बस ये 4 पैरामीटर्स आपको याद रखने हैं जो मैंने लेक्चर के स्टार्ट में आपको बताया था. बाकी क्वेश्चन देख के सर्च करना है which ones would be going and which ones would be ignored. Ready? Ready, children? Do I need to show the example here? Exactly वैसे ही same record होगा. Treatment of expenses same children. Being a cash transaction, by virtue of nature, it should appear in cash book. But hardly teachers happen to torture students. So they suggest that it can be recorded in a journal proper. Chaliye. So we have a question here, children, which says, prepare a sales book from the following. Sold on credit to Manan and Company, iron boxes grinders. So business iska iron boxes or grinders ka hi hai. And it is a credit sale as well. So this should be or should not be recorded? Should be. Sold for cash, children. Should it be recorded? No. Sold to Balan and Sons on credit will be or will not be recorded? Will be. And now they have sold the computer to Kumar children. Will it be recorded? No. Exactly same transaction? Exactly same? Let's start preparing them, children. Let's start. Chal. Let's do it. What was the first date? 5th July. And now you can write either sale के लिए bill number or sales invoice number. What's the name of the customer? Manan or Kanan? Manan. Okay. Manan and Company. What we are selling first? 50 or 15? 50. Iron boxes at the rate of 500. Makes up how much, children? 25,000. Then what we are selling? 10 grinders at the rate of 3,000. 10 into 3,000 is 30,000. Same set of calculations would run instead. Less how much trade discount? 30%. 30% is 16,500. Again, we'll have 38,500. Which type of GST do we have? 6%. So 2310, 2310, children. And what would be the total? 43120. Deliberately I took it same so that concept is well clarified. 2310 and 2310. So the only task here is to ascertain which ones would be going and which ones won't be going. And if you record the extra transactions, children, marks would be deducted. ये मत सोचिए सर एक्स्ट्रा की हम सब लिख देंगे सर. So extra में marks would be deducted. And the second person to whom goods are sold on July 10th, he is Balan and Sons. What are we selling him? So 25 into 20 is 50,000. Then what we are selling, children? 10 mixies at the rate of 3,000 makes up 30. What is 30 plus 50, children? 80. Less 10% trade discount. It's 8,000. Take an example, children. If there is no trade discount, then GST would be calculated on 80,000 only. So here IGST is what percentage? 12% IGST. 8640. Total is 80,640. Cost column, children, 72,000. IGST is 8640. And here it is 80,640. And here you can write total. I forgot to put it in purchase book. You can put it there as well. So here, children, same 1,10,500. Here it is 8640, 2,310 and 2,310. And total would be, children, 1,23,760. Is it a very great rocket science to prepare purchase book, sale book?
No, sir.
Chaliye.
Yes, sir, you can.
So hope so, children, everybody Well understood how to prepare purchase book and sale book? Just remember, out of 4, we'll record only 1. 3 would be ignored. So mark the homework here also, children, again. Question number 5, you are supposed to prepare sales book, followed by TSG set, children. Question number 5, 6, 7. TSG set 5, 6, 7. TKG third, fourth, children, followed by 11th, 12th. Third, fourth, 11th, 12th in DKG, and 5, 6, 7 in TSG. Okay, chaliye. And in this workbook, children, question number 5. Chalo. Next, we'll be moving to what is called as, children, purchase return. स्टार्टिंग में ही पूरा मसाला भर दिया था मैंने आपके अंदर, तो इसलिए अब कोई गलती है ही नहीं. काश सर पूरा सिलेबस ऐसा होता, इतनी हैप्पीनेस थोड़ा मिलेगी आपको. So children, here again you will be facing in the question return of those goods which were earlier bought for cash, return of those assets which were earlier bought for cash, return of assets which were bought earlier on credit. All these 3 type of transactions will not be recorded. What will be recording? Only return of those goods which were earlier bought on credit. This is the keyword. So DKG वाले सेट में you won't be finding such questions. वहां पे आपको परचेज रिटर्न जो भी मिलेगा सब क्रेडिट वाला ही मिलेगा. TSG में there are questions कि we bought earlier on cash and now we are returning. Sorry to say it won't appear in purchase return book. इसीलिए मैं मल्टीपल बुक से आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवाता हूँ. Children, if people remember, हम एक कंटेंट पढ़ते थे. I am issuing you a note because I have debited you in my books. When we used to return the goods to the supplier, we used to pass the entry supplier account debit to purchase return. तो हमने supplier को debit किया. Which type of document we'll be giving him? Debit note. That's why the so-called source document here is what, children? Debit note, और उस पे एक number होगा, known as what? Debit note number. In case of purchase, we used to have input GST or output GST, children? Input. और सेल में क्या होता था? आउटपुट. तो सेल रिटर्न में अभी आप आगे आउटपुट जीएसटी पढ़ेंगे, बट परचेज रिटर्न में इट इज इनपुट ओनली. रेडी चिल्ड्रन? रेडी? चलिए. ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस एग्जैक्टली सेम. अगेन चिल्ड्रन, वी हैव अ ट्रांजैक्शन है. 3 transactions are given. From the following, prepare purchase return book. Return to Kannan and Company iron boxes and grinders will be recorded, won't be recorded? Will be, because nowhere it is being said कि इसको cash. Return to Balan and Sons will or won't, children? Will be. Returned one computer, is it goods? It won't be recorded, but do let me know where it would be recorded, children. Very good, excellent answer. Journal proper. हो जाएगा बच्चों? चलिए let's start. अब मैंने पहले वाले में जीएसटी कर दिया. ओके, रेडी एवरीबॉडी? चलिए स्टार्ट करिए, अब आपको आता है. क्विकली लेट्स कंटिन्यू चिल्ड्रन. व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट डेट? 5th of July. And year is 2020. To whom are we returning first? Canon and Company. Please don't write Canon. What are we returning, children? Which type of goods, children? 50 iron boxes at the rate of, again it's 25,000. Then children, 10 grinders at the rate of 3,000. What is 10 into 3,000? 30 plus 25 is?
So 30,000.
And what is the percentage of trade discount? 30%. How much is 30% of 55,000? 16? 500. We are left with children 38,500. We have IGST or CGST, SGST. How much? Please don't copy from the previous solution because their GST was different. 6,930. Total is 45,430 children. In cost, we'll have 38,500. In the column of IGST, we'll put 6,930 dash dash, and total is 45,430. Correct? Let's record the next one. Moving ahead. Second transaction is on which date, children? We are not supposed to record expenses here. सूर्य देखिए अभी तक. Next transaction किस date को है? 10th of July. Return to whom, children? Balan and Sons. What are we returning? 20 grinders at the rate of 2,500. It's 50,000 children. Then what are we returning? 10 mixie at the rate of 3,000. So it becomes 30,000. Correct? What is 50 plus 30 children? 80. Less 10% trade discount is there. What is 10% of 80,000 children? Oh, sorry. No discount is there. Do we have GST element? CGST, how much? Very good. People might say, sir, you have not shown the total. This way is also equally correct, children. Total show करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Only for the purpose of ease of calculation, I used to put the total. Even if you do it like this, no marks would be deducted. CGST and SGST. 80,000 9% is children. 7,200.
Yes.
Total is 94,400.
Yes.
Draw the line below this. Then the cost column we will be putting 80,000. IGST nothing. SGST and CGST children 7,200 and 7,200. And in the total column 94,400. Now you can put the grand total also. I already said now it is only an alternative. ऐसे भी करोगे तो it's equally correct. So children, 1,18,500 will be the total of cost column. आप cost की जगह purchase return भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. IGST input column total will be 6,930. Input CGST, input SGST total would be 7,200, 7,200. And final total would be 0,389. 1,39830. Correct. Heard well, children? So children, similarly, when we'll be getting down to the concept of sale return, children, exactly same content would be there. Exactly same, children. We have to ignore what is called as return of those goods which were sold for cash, won't be recorded. Return of assets which were sold for cash or credit won't be recorded. We'll record only and only, children, return of such goods which were earlier sold to the customer on credit. बाकी सब ignore होगा. सब ignore करेंगे आप. सब कुछ. Children, same transactions आपको नजर आ रहे हैं? Children, same transactions you are able to see? Answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और मेरा तो prepare भी हो गया भाई. I have even prepared this. चलिए. GST की value 12% है. चलिए GST change कर देते हैं. Not to worry at all. Let's change the value of the GST. Here people understood how to do it, I suppose. या पूरा फिर से ही solve कर लीजिए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Children, understood how to prepare sale return book? चलिए start fast, children. Start fast. So the first and foremost date is what, children? 5th July. From whom we are getting the returns? Kanan and Company. What they are returning to us? What they are returning to us? 50 iron boxes at the rate of 500 each. 25,000. Next, 10 grinders at the rate of 3,000. It's 30,000 children. What is 30 and 25 totaled together? Do we have anything like trade discount? How much? 30%. It is 16,500. Next page, you can put the value, children. 38,500. Which GST do we have? IGST. What percentage? 12%. So 12% of 38,500 would be 4620 children. So it's a 0, 2, 1, 8 plus 4, 1, 9, 9 and 4, 13, carry 1. 43,120 children. Draw the line below this. Cost column will be having 38,500. In the column of IGST, 4620 children. Nothing in CGST, SGST column, children. And here we have 43,120. Next return is supposed to be on which date, children? 10th of July. From whom are we getting the returns? Palan and Sons. What they are returning? 20 grinders at the rate of 2,500. It's 50,000. Then what they are returning us? 10 mixies at the rate of 3,000. It becomes 30 children. Do we have anything like trade discount? Trade discount जैसा कुछ है? No. Anything like GST? IGST or CGST? SGST? What percentage? 6%. So you can ignore the totaling, but please don't make it a concept. सर परचेज रिटर्न सेल रिटर्न में टोटल नहीं करेंगे, बाकी में करेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, just an alternative I am suggesting. Plus 6% CGST and 6% SGST. 80,000, 6% is 4,800. And again, children, 4,800. Correct? So it's 89,600. In the cost column, you will be putting 80,000. In the column of CGST, SGST, you will be putting 4,800 and 4,800. And total is 89,600. People will be able to do the grand totals. Put it fast, children. Due to shortage of space, I am putting it in the topmost column, children. It's 1,18,500. Here it is 4620. Then 4,800 and 4,800. And here it would be 0, 2, 7, 2, 1, 8 and 4, 12 and 130. 1,32,720. Be quick. Mark the homework. TSG set, children. From question number 1-13, only subsidiary books are to be prepared, no ledger. 1-13, children. And DKG set, children. Question number 1-7. 8th we have already done, children. 1-7, 8th we have already done. Then 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th. Only these 4 subsidiary books would be there. Heard well?